I'm Katrina Thoma, a pediatric nurse practitioner for primary care. I'm here to talk about the flu shot and the importance of the flu. Over the last year of 2019 to 2020, which was the last statistics out there, it prevented an estimated 7.5 million illnesses, 3.7 million flu-associated medical visits, 105,000 hospitalizations, and 6,300 flu-associated deaths. So really, we think about it, we think the flu's just a common thing and everybody's okay, but every year, 25 to 36,000 people die of the flu. Primarily what you see people dying are going to be the elderly or the very young. Also those that are immunocompromised, have multiple chronic diseases and stuff, are also at high risk. The recommendation by the CDC is that the flu vaccine is given to 6 months to and older, so as young as 6 months and up to age 65, and after age 65 their recommendation is to give the high dose flu vaccine because they're in a much more compromised immune system. The importance of vaccines can't be understated in my brain. The reality is that the invention, and I put that in quotes, invention of vaccines is probably one of the greatest things we've ever seen in our lifetime. Multiple deaths prevented, and in all actuality, we actually now have children that get to adulthood. Prior to this, high percentages of children have multiple diseases. The reality is vaccines wane over time, meaning that their ability to function kind of drops off. Kind of like COVID, we're getting boosters and we may need to get it every year to keep ourselves healthy. So the same thing with the flu. Every year we need to reboost that, if you will. The recommendation is to start in October with vaccines. The season is October to May, but the peak of the season, if you will, is December, February, and so you want to get it kind of before then. So what happens to the 3-month-old? Well, you're going to protect the 3-month-old because you have vaccines. Your family around them, the children around them, their siblings, their grandparents, everybody else is vaccinated around them to prevent that baby from getting the flu. It really creates healthy communities, and it reduces the incidence of disease, disability, and death, and it really creates a cocoon for an entire community. And just to remind you, Sadler is always there. We have vaccines, and soon as flu season starts, we'll have the flu vaccine, we'll have our flu campaign being called out to our Sadler patients, and really, Sadler is here for you and here to help keep the community healthy.